Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared out in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. Moving on, we're moving on. I know time's hard to left, but I've had enough. Moving on, we're moving on.
Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is we are going to unbox shoes from Nordic. Ayan. So it's already cold here in Norway, so kailangan na natin ng good shoes, guwaklar. Ayan, kasi, ayan, if you are living in north of Norway, so, kailangan mo ng magandang shoes. So, this shoes is from Alaska Footwear. So, this shoes is from Alaska Footwear. Ayan. Let's go anywhere. Of all the paths you take in life, make sure some of them lets you explore cities, people, culture, or nature. No matter where you go, our craftsmanship, superior quality, and attention to detail will take you there. Ayan. So, this one, let's unbox the shoes. Ayan, I really love the color of these shoes, guys. Ooh, ayan. It's pink. So, it's girly. So, ayan yung likod ng ating shoes. Ayan, kasi pag madulas, ayan, alam niyo na. And then, it is warm. Let's open. So, warm siya. Alaska Footwear. So, ayan, warm ito guys. Ayan. Kasi iba talaga dito din. At saka magaan lang. Sobrang gaan niya. So, ayan. And then yung isa. Oh. So, this is our winter shoes for 2020 from Alaska, north of Alaska. And then another one is this one, the Nordic, from Nordic shoes. But this one is shoes of Yuna. They don't have a pink one. It's a brown one. Brown. Nordic. Ayan. Pero maganda siya kasi ayan, may zipper siya. Hindi kasi masyadong marunong si Yuna pang magtali ng kanyang liston. So, ayan. So, bukas, ayan, isuot na niya to. Uy, hala, bakit hindi siya maano? Uy, ayan, magbuksan. So, kunin lang natin ito. Ayan yung Gusto niya pink sana or blue, pero wala na siyang wala na siyang kulay. So ito is waterproof, windproof, and breathable. Ayan. So ayan, kasi pag mag-snow guys, ayan, magbasa siya. So ayan, hindi lalamigin yung paa. Kasi ano siya, at saka dito din is windy. So, kailangan mo talaga ng magandang sapatos. Hindi kaya yung ordinary na shoes lang, yung pang summer shoes. Tumitigas talaga yung paa mo. So, ayan. So, every season, it's another shoes. So, this one, ayan, it's a winter shoes from North Peak. And this shoes is waterproof, windproof. Ayan. So yan. And then kasi sabi ni Yuna is medyo iba kasi dito guys, pag medyo maiksi na kahit kunti lang, ayan, kailangan yung eksakto talaga na damit. Yun yung mga dito sa parang mas spoiled yung mga bata sa Norway. Pero ayun, basta kung masikip na, ayan, kailangan mo talagang bilhan ng yung sakto. So ito, pang to siya, pang labas. So ito yung Helly Hansen na brand. Helly Hansen. So ayan. Si Jillian, mayroon na siya. So, hindi na siya bumili last year. Tapos, medyo malaki, kunti yun sa kanya. So, ngayon, kasyang-kasya. So, hindi na siya, Si Yuna, binilhan last year. Pero, ang bilis na, na, parang maiksi na siya na ganun. So, binilhan na siya ng bago. So, ayan ang ating unboxing, guys. Shoes from Alaska and shoes from Nordic, and what do you call this one? From Helly Hansen. Ano bang tawag nito? Winter clothes, basta panglabas. So, ayan, jumpsuit. Jumpsuit. So, that's our vlog for today. That's our unboxing. The shoes from winter shoes. Ayan. So, please click the bell button if you are not connected with Madel Pettersen, so you are always updated every time I upload a new video. So, i-shoutout muna natin ang ating super chatter, Kim Rock, Sherabom 87, Lalabs Lisancho, Janine Ispeleton, and Rames, and Sunita Palapar, Salvador Bronze, Kuya James TV, Ortiga Jody 28, and she's Signy. So thank you so much to my super chatter, and yeah, God bless everyone, and bye bye.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the